Super short video, I promise. We're going to talk about making character heads in a stylized way. Let's start off by making a simple shape. Doesn't matter what that shape is. It's a incomplete shape. I'm going to hit Command J to make a copy, Command T, and then I'm going to rotate that shape, scale it down, and move it into position. I'll do it again. Command J, Command T, scale it down, rotate. What we're doing here is we're just basically creating some interesting shapes that resemble stylized cartoony heads. We'll go ahead and create a contour, a vertical contour. We'll create a horizontal contour where we want the eyes to go. We'll indicate where the nose and the mouth are going to go. And now we can start to flesh the character in. I'll make a new layer. I'll drop the opacity of the existing layer. And I can start to add things like eyes, nose, and mouth. Some really long hair. Do the same thing for this character over here. There's some glasses. Give her some Marge Simpson-esque hair. Bada bang. We've got characters that are highly stylized that we can incorporate anywhere we wish. So that's the tip. If you found some value, please give it a thumbs up so more folks can find it. As always, I appreciate and value every one of you, and I will see you in the next video. Later.